Good morning. Late evening. Yes. So, checking in. Ara dai.
Ano na lang po, your contact numbers. Breakfast tomorrow, sir, will start 6 a.m. until 10 here po at the coffee shop.
Here?
Yes po. Shop, sir, then inform your room number. No need of breakfast coupon po. Then for the Wi-Fi, just connect directly. There's no need of password. Wi-Fi name is HDR.
Is it strong?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, mag-office kasi ka.
If you have any concerns, sir, just dial 0. So we don't have gym pool,
okay lang.
Sir.
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool, sir, we have open po 7 a.m. until 7 p.m.
Okay, sige.
And if kung gusto niyo mag-gym, sir, we have malapit na gym dito po. Across sa may overpass po or may...
So, tanda sa may...
Yes, sir. You can access Esplanade po, sir.
Esplanade,
yes,
to walking, yes, jogging. Bongga dito ng Hotel del Rio. Since 1965 pagkali ni...
Yes po, sir.
Wala man multo.
Wala.
Okay lang naman to, man, kasi historical naman tong lace na to di ba?
Yes, sir.
Ayan.
Enjoy, sir.
Plazoleta. Akala ko mag-walking. Ito na lang may lift.
Thank you, sir.
Going up, second floor, room 2016. Wow. Very ancient. Piyak daw sa kabila. 206 kami. Ayan. Ito. This is it. This is our room for a couple of days here at Hotel del Rio. Of course, open. Yes. So, room tour agad. Let's see. Lagay natin muna dito yung maleta. And of course, my bag. There's 2 bed. Yan. So, that's the bed. 2 bed. It's a side table. Tomorrow na tayo mag-window sa taas. There's aircon. There's TV. Of course, mga normal stuff. Walang water. Ayun, may water na to. You can see. Yan. So, meron na ring parang fridge. Ito nga yung view namin. Ito, that's the view. Pero wala kang makitang Iloilo River. The beauty of Iloilo River is blocked by this roof, by this atop. So, we requested na ilipat tayo sa 3rd floor because that's the original request naman from Agoda. Top floor. Kasi 3-story lang naman to So, no, we can see it. So, we decided to lipat tayo, ha? Okay, let's go and let's balutan again. Ayan, akit tayo ng 314. 1 story, 1 floor up lang naman. 3rd floor. Oh, but 0 yan. Saan ba? Ayan, 3rd. Card lang pala binigay so hindi ko pa ma-on yung kuryente. Konti lang naman yung gamit ko. So madali na naman siya iakyat. 1 story up. Let's go back again and get some of my stuff. And go get that Iloilo River view. This is the new room. Basically same pa din. 2 single bed pero pinag-combine na lang siya. Yan. I remember last time yung room sa 2nd floor there was a quick room tour. So dagdagan natin ng konti. So basically everything is there. The decor. There you go. There. Aircon, TV, smart TV. And finally, a little balcony terrace with a view of Iloilo River. Oh, may mga solar panels sila ha. So yun, ayan, konti-konti nakikita natin yung river na yan Alright, that's the view now a little bit at nakikita na natin. Thought, pag mga rooms ito pare-pareho tanan pero budlay lang ang saksakan kasi unlike sa Dalom, tunali na naman may saksakan siya. And pixelated ang internet. depende yung hot and cold. So, pagkadugay, mag-hot. So, sabi na lang, i-fix daw nila para ayusin. If not, forgo na lang namin yung Iloilo River view. Kesa naman, imbis ilipat sana kami sa mas okay-okay. Yan, nakita naman namin yung view. Balik na lang kami dun kesa maligo kami na walang hot water. Yung internet, hindi pa pixelated. Hotel del Rio at night. So kung haling ka sa third floor, let's try not using the elevator. Let's try to use the stairs. Yan. Yan. So that's the third floor. Second floor. 3-story lang gali siya. Kinaog pa ta. Mga decors oh. There are decorations, so you can make tambay there. I don't know what's the purpose of that. Siguro accent piece lang siya dyan. And finally, pwede ka naman may nagababay pa to sa lift. And dito na ka sa ground floor. Yan. Explore natin ang mga nearby areas dito sa Hotel del Rio. Definitely lapit nanta sa Plaza Molo. Let's go there. Ga-serve man sila dinner nila. Yan. Kailan ta jeep? It's very convenient naman eh. Konting walking lang and harap mo talaga is yung Lacson Colleges. Wala na ilaw, gabi na eh. Alas 7 pa lang, wala na din mga sugaya. Kung may 7-Eleven, ito gali sa gilid, oh. There, 7-Eleven, tabok ka lang. And of course, sa punta na ang UP corner. And sakay na ta jeep.
The following day,
Mayong aga, Iloilo and Esplanade River with the river view and the solar panels here at Hotel del Rio. It's time, mamahaw na ta, early morning, mga past 8 a.m. So, let's eat. Kasama ko kayo. Let's see what are the breakfast buffet options here at Hotel del Rio. Ayan, may nagalimpang-limpyo. Ito na yung housekeeping nila. Let's use the elevator. So, dito na ang Ilakalanaan. Dito na tayo kakain. This is where we're gonna eat our breakfast. Alright, so let's start the tour. Yung mga decorations. Scrambled egg, omelette, all in, extra cheese, damo-damo na cheese, ha, day, tulad sa kahapon. Andito na ang egg omelette natin, all in with the extra cheese. Tempting, but this is not included in the buffet, mga ka-fab. And of course, cakes. Only here at Del Rio. Ang brand. But I'm here at Hotel Del Rio. Of course, that's in Iloilo City and Molo. Ay, ang ini na brand naman is Panaderia di Molo. Let's start eating fruits first. Mga ka-fab, pwede ka mag-request ng shake. This is mango banana combination. Shake in the morning, you'll never go wrong. May shake gali siya, free kasama sa buffet. And for the dessert, upon request, is the crepe with mango toppings and drizzle, chocolate drizzle, and Nutella. Thank you, guys. Guys, tour ko na kayo. So, let's go. Mag-umpisa tayo sa 3rd floor kung saan yung room namin. So, for now, let's just use the stairs. Oops, careful. Yan. So, it's a little bit nostalgic pa din yung effect nitong hotel na to kasi it's quite old na rin siya kahit papano. But they're trying to modernize it as much as possible. The only thing is, pagdating ng 8 or 9, wala na masyadong tao. Pero pag umaga, I mean, dami mga functions hall dito. Several, like 2 or 3, wherein may mga events like the Golden Salakot. Yan. Ayan. Ano ba yan dyan? For staff. May more power. Yung ginagamit nila yung space na yan for stuff. Ayan. Ganda ng painting, oh. Talagang there's just so much history when you look at the painting. Pa-exit natin. Sana open pa yung I hope it's open pa yung pool. Yan, hindi natin nakuhaan pa yan ng video. So guys, mga kafabo lang gym dito, ha. Taran! The pool. Yan. Swimming pool. Maliit lang siya. I think this is just 5 feet, 4 feet. Of course, that's Hotel Del Rio. Since 1965. And makita mo na dyan yung plus yung Esplanade River Walk. Only that, gusto ko man go straight onto that, kaso nakalock siya. Oh, open. Yan, open yata. Try natin, ha. Tut pala. Yan, so close natin. Yan, taran. And Esplanade na. And of course, Esplanade na. You can start walking. Diyan tayo galing. Our hotel. And that's where I think that's our room. Sa gilid. Zoom in natin. Yan. And jogging na. Tara, let's get healthy mga ka-fab. What a great exercise mga ka-fab. Done with my more than 1 hour, close to 2 hours rest walking, just jogging here at Iloilo River Esplanade, which is so close, few meters away from Hotel Del Rio, Iloilo City.
The following day.
It's time to say goodbye for now, Iloilo, and of course Hotel Del Rio. I'm checking out now in a bit. So what do you think mga ka-fab? Is this hotel a fab or not so fab? If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so that you're part of my hotel staycation adventures here in the Philippines and all over the world. Of course, subscribe at URJO Sonified. And thank you so much. Madamong nga salamat. Iloilo, the city of love. And of course, this beautiful historical Hotel Del Rio here at Molo, Iloilo City. Until next time, don't forget to embrace life not just beautifully, but to live your life fabulously. See you on my next hotel staycation adventures. My room. Checking out na to.